celebrated as 74th Independence Day. It has 74th, 75th we are starting. So 74th we have finished and 75th we are starting. It has been a long struggle to after the independence. Many types of things have come in between. Of course, we remember people who have given their lives for this independence of India. And today even you can hear the president speaking on the TV. I heard him in the morning, how much he was happy about the Olympic Games, that our women are winning, our gents are winning. Though we are winning bronze, some have won gold, some have won silver, but we have struggled through. And now people are taking an attitude towards technology as well as other things which are coming up. Though we are fighting with COVID from the last 2 years, it has been a great struggle for us. Let us see when our children come back. We hope that our 75th Independence Day will be better than these last 2 years. Thank you.
Anybody else wants to say anything?
Me too.
I'm always saying people are bored with
We are eager to hear.
Happy Independence Day to everybody. Thank you. I was actually standing over there because that is my position, because the children are always there, here and over there for the programs. I think the biggest thing which we miss when we come to school are the children. Just pray to God that next year we have a full campus when we celebrate Independence Day, because it is for them actually that we are struggling for these 2 years, and they are missing us as much as we miss them. I think all of us are missing them as much as they don't think, they're having fun. Of course, they're having easy way in studies, but they do miss their school. That much I'm telling you. They are missing everything in school. The function, virtual function is okay, but nothing can replace real teaching and real functions. So just pray to God that we get over this, horrible situation and the children come back, at least some classes after the pujas. Because I think we've had enough of this virtual teaching, enough of this COVID, enough of this pandemic. And it's not, being patriotic on 15th August, singing songs and, wearing a badge over here. If you really love your country, get your vaccinations, maintain your COVID protocols, because, until and unless we fight it, it's a medical vaccination and a social vaccination together. So until and unless we fight it, we can never get our children back to school. And so please
Pray for it.
Pray for it. Pray for new admissions. Junior section has lost it very badly. One class is completely empty. Another class is just 4 or 5 children. So just pray to God that this situation gets over and we get back to our old school days. That is very, very necessary for education as well as for all of us to survive in a normal and healthy atmosphere. And I would like all of you, if any of the teachers take a photo and send it to the class groups today, to wish the children from here Happy Independence Day. All of you together, that we miss you, we love you. I think that is the bond we always had with our children, and that is the bond which will help us to fight it back again. You're again going to win, I'm telling you that. Don't worry, COVID, 3rd wave, 4th wave, don't listen to any negative things. Just keep on hoping children will come back. So if all of you get together and wish the children from here, we need this, they miss this, I'm telling you, this stage. So you wish them from here Happy Independence Day. To all our lovely children, how much we miss them. I'm telling you that will be the biggest medicine to them to come back to school. They will come back to school. So sir, if you could please do that. Thank you.
तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे। फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। हाय तेरी मिट्टी में गुल बन के मैं, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। वो तेरी नदियों में बह जावां, तेरी फसलों